In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tier Tool in Affinity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean teardrop shape to your design, adjust its size and look, and apply colors confidently. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Once it loads, either create a new document or open an existing file where you want to add the shape. Make sure you can see the main canvas in the center and the toolbar along the left side. If your interface looks different, that's okay. Affinity lets you customize panels, but the core tools will still be there. Look to the toolbar on the left and find the Shape tool. It usually shows a rectangle or the last shape you used. Click it once to activate it, and if you see a small arrow on the tool, click and hold to reveal the full list of shapes. This expanded menu is where all the preset vector shapes live, so it's a great place to explore if you're new to Designer. From that list, choose the Tier tool. The tier or teardrop shape is ideal for icons, markers, liquid effects, and even petal-like forms for illustrations. With it selected, your cursor becomes ready to draw that specific shape. Move your cursor over the canvas and click and drag to place the shape. As you drag, you'll see the teardrop take form. Release the mouse to commit it to the page. If snapping is turned on, the shape may gently align to guides or the center, which is helpful for quick, precise placement. Don't worry if the proportions aren't perfect. This is a live shape, so you can refine it right away. With the shape still selected, you can resize by dragging the corner handles on the bounding box. Drag inward or outward to scale, and use the rotate handle to spin the tear so the point faces exactly where you want. You'll also notice a small on-canvas adjustment handle. Dragging it will change the teardrop's balance between the rounded end and the pointed tip, giving you more control over its character. To style it, head to the fill and stroke controls. Choose a solid color, try a gradient for a smooth transition, or pick a swatch to match your brand palette. If you want a border, enable the stroke, select a color, and adjust the width in the context toolbar for a crisp outline. For precise sizes, use the width and height fields in the context toolbar or the transform panel. That's it. Open Affinity Designer, select the Shape tool, pick the Tier tool, place it on your page, then resize and color it to suit your design. Experiment with proportions, rotation, and color to make it uniquely yours.